what is up, guys? Testing out a couple things today, but also helping my parents move, so I gotta go be there and help them out. Got this tank bag thing, testing it out. We shall see. It's a freaking beautiful day. I'm not sure if I'm fucking with this shit. Mixed feelings about this guy. Yeah, it's already jumping. Are you kidding me? That's definitely not gonna freaking work. I mean, it's not gonna come off, but it's definitely already jumping around. It's got these, it came with these little strips of Velcro. That's so bullshit. That's not gonna do a damn thing. But yeah, so basically, I don't know, I was like looking at my account the other day, and I'm looking through it, and I'm like, this kind of looks weird. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with it? Like, this doesn't look like it did yesterday. What's going on? I'm like looking at it, and then I'm like, oh, wait a minute. My video's gone. Like, maybe it just needs to be refreshed or something, you know? Maybe like it's glitching out, you know? So I sat there and refreshed it, and I was like, okay. Didn't work. And I was like, okay. Maybe I need to sign out and sign back in. So I did that. Still didn't work. I'm like, what the hell? And I even like looked from an outside account, like not my account, an outside account. I looked at my account from a different device. I tried everything. It's gone. The video's been deleted, and I was like, what the heck? Well, if you have a YouTube channel, you know that YouTube can delete your videos 100%. You know that. But what will happen if they delete your videos is they'll send you an email, and they'll also flag your account, meaning that you violated something and we deleted your video. So now you have a flag, right? And neither of these things happened. Neither of them. I didn't get an email, and I also didn't get a flag. What it looks like is the account, or the video was just deleted off the account by a user, or by the creator, which is me. But I didn't do that. I didn't accidentally do it. I didn't do it. I hadn't been on the account for, I was on the account, looking at the account, like looking at my comments, replying to comments and stuff the other day, and then I didn't get back on the account until the other day when I saw that it was missing. So like in between that time, someone had really bro, in between, someone had to have taken the video down. And now the issue is my account was signed in on different devices. So I don't know if like one of my old friends or something got on there and deleted it by accident. I don't know if like a family member did. I don't know. So I signed out of all devices, which I probably should have done a long time ago, and hopefully it just doesn't happen again. Can you please stay? I'm going to Tractor Supply today to see if they got some Velcro, because I figured that was going to be a problem, that they were just going to pop off the Velcro, the little Velcro strips that they were on. But yeah, I gotta go to Tractor Supply today, pick that up. Let me tell you, it's an absolute beautiful day though. It's a beautiful day. I'm a little frustrated because the videos, the stuff with the YouTube channel, and you know, my parents moving is very chaotic and shit, and it's pretty hectic. But you know what? I am breathing, and that's key. That is key. I'm breathing, I'm living. I was able to eat today. I had a place to sleep last night, and you know what? That's all that matters. That is legitimately all that matters. If you are loved and you love your life, that is all that matters. It doesn't matter what you're going through. It doesn't matter. You'll get through it. You'll get through it. At the end of the day, it's not going to matter, because let's say you know, you break up with your relationship's over, and you're very upset about it and all this stuff. At the end of the day, it's not gonna matter. At the end of the day, like years down the road, like not the day, but like saying that is simplifying it. Years down the road, it's not gonna matter. It's not gonna matter. You'll forget about it. You'll be like, damn, that really sucked. But you know what? I'm over it, and it doesn't really matter anymore. And exactly, all that time spent being all frustrated about it and stressed out about it, or all that shit, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Where this is crazy. This guy was in a crazy motorcycle accident. He was he like didn't want to live anymore because he was you know, bedridden. He couldn't get up out of bed. He was so like messed up. He had brain damage, so he didn't remember how to walk and all this stuff. Completely brain damage. The doctor said that he could not come back from it. And he woke up one day and he was like, I want to go to a Metallica show. A Metallica show? His wife was like, what? And he was like, yeah, I want to go to a Metallica show. So sure enough, his wife takes him to a Metallica show. And he it wasn't really necessarily the music, although music like is a drug, 100%. You know, released a lot of dopamine receptors go crazy, you know. But basically they went to the Metallica show, and the community there was so inspiring for him that it literally gave him a sense of life. And as soon as his brain realized that he had a new sense of life, he started healing. His brain started healing itself. And doctors were blown away, and they told him to keep going to Metallica shows. So he kept going to Metallica shows, and he literally is recovering from what they said was a never like they'd never be able to recover. And it's crazy. It's crazy. Your brain is so powerful. So if you're dwelling on something that is happening through your life, that's not a permanent thing. It's not a permanent thing. It might seem like a permanent thing, but you got to really ask yourself, is this a permanent thing? Most of the time, it's not a permanent thing, and you're just dwelling on it because of emotions and all that stuff, and that's fine, but don't keep dwelling on that. You got to learn to live through it, because learning to live through it, your brain will start realizing that it's not a big deal, and you'll get over it, and you'll start realizing the beautiful things we have in this world. Is this my stepdad? Yeah. Alright, well, I'm here, guys, so I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Okay. About to run to Tractor Supply, but I'm gonna a little bit of ways. So for the time being, I'm just gonna take this stupid shit down. When in doubt, tape it down, man. Some of y'all are probably gonna be like, oh no, your paint job. Your paint job, not your paint job, man. Yeah, I don't care. See what my tank bag's been doing to my paint job? Just straight messing that shit up. Alright, I think that's good. That's a nice pocket for my little vape. I just destroyed my vape. My vape was just going off in that little bag, so like the smoke coming from it. It's a nice pocket for my little vape. It was crazy. Luckily I got replacement pods. That's crazy. I guess that's not a good spot. Alrighty. They did not. I kind of have what I need. I got these Country Line red reflector tape strips. I was also looking for Velcro. They didn't have that shit. They didn't even have like Velcro strips or anything. They didn't have any kind of Velcro. I need that for this, but I guess I'll have to try to figure out something else. You got a feeling that Ace Hardware, yep, it's closed. What about Advanced? They look open. That's what I need right there. I don't think they're gonna have any Velcro. Thank you. Yeah, you too. All right. Alrighty guys, well, pretty short one today, not really successful, pretty annoying, but nevertheless an amazing day because the sun was shining. So remember guys, the important things in life, don't get stuck on the annoying things that happen in life. They'll pass, you'll get through it, I promise you. But thank you guys for watching. I don't know if you guys can see that beautiful sunset we got behind us. What if I go like this? You guys see it? Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back next week with traveling videos. I'm going to be in Key West, Florida by Saturday, next Saturday. So about a week. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Really helps me out. I got a Patreon, link in the description. Just started it, so check it out. Alrighty guys, thank you so much. Peace.